sack thing. You have returned to the Popit Academy for more of my insightful insights. Want to know about bolts? Let's kick off with a gander at your most basic bolt. Bolts can be used to attach two materials together and then rotate around the bolt's connection point. Nifty, eh? Put your Popit cursor over a bolt and press the menu button to open its tweak menu. You'd be wise to consider the strength of your bolts. If they're too strong, they won't rotate very well. Oh, you're a dyed-in-the-wool creator, you, Squire! Motor bolts are ideal for crossing large areas of water in a short amount of time. No, wait. No, that's motor boats. Motor bolts are bolts that have a built-in motor. Get with the program, Da Vinci. Let's look at motor bolts. By far the greatest of motor bolt tweaks are speed and direction. Give them a whirl and... The next bolt I want to talk about will rock the Imagisphere. Well, wobble it a bit at least. Wobble bolts cause your creations to, well, for want of a better word, wobble. Some cool tweaks here, oh yes. The rotation tweak sets how much it will rotate. Then there's the angle setting. This tells the wobble bolt what should be the center of its wobble. There's oodles of fun to be had with the time settings. You use these to make the wobble bolt move faster or slower. You can even put a pause at the end of each rotation, too. There's a lot to take in, and you'll make mistakes along the way. It's nature. Just undo them by pressing the left button. And then you can unpause the game by pressing the up button. Okay, my star pupil. It's time for you to add some bolts of your own. First, select the object with the Popit cursor and move it into position using the left stick. Select the bolt from the tools bag. Move the bolt using the left stick and attach it to the desired material using the action button. This will then bolt the material to the back wall. Excellent work! Really?